Let the crystal in, open your heart. Let the crystal energy in with the water flow, with the scenery, tranquility and peace and harmony for all of us. Humbleness, no arrogance, no wars, love and peace only. Great harmony between all souls. As it's supposed to be, as it should be, as it would be, someday will be. Here we go. So now we are going to put the crystal here by the water. Maybe here, doesn't matter where, but so here's the crystal here. Right by the water. Crystal energy. Beautiful crystal connecting to the rocks. It knows it's sitting on the rocks. I can feel the strong energy from the crystal now. It's by the rocks. It knows sitting on a rock. It knows all about the rocks. Now it's going to connect with the water too with there. It's like it has eyes, like a third eye. Crystal will connect with all of it.